Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assembling what you must have: IDE, Git, Node 14+, Python 3, 8+, and a GPU or cloud instance. Next, pick a model. Cartoon GAN or UNet are fast for prototype. Style GAN is heavier. Once chosen, make a repo, create a virtualenv, and scaffold a minimal UI in React or Flutter so you can iterate visually. Now implement a single pipeline. Load image per process to 256x256, run inference, and display result. This gets you from 0 to a Once you have a working loop, focus on data and training. You must collect and augment 1,000 to 10,000 image pairs, balancing style and photo domains. Augmentation reduces artifacts. Then train with adversarial plus perceptual loss to preserve edges and color. Watch FID and LPIPs as guides, not absolutes. After acceptable results, export to ONGX or TF-Lite for mobile. Make a GPU and a CPU inference path. Add batching and integrate model calls into your app UI for real-time previews. You finish by polishing UI controls like strength, color, and detail sliders so users tune results. Include undo and side-by-side compare. Then optimize the model. Quantize and prune, target roughly 1/2 second inference on a mid-tier device, and use progressive loading. For deployment, set up CI, sign builds, publish stores, and run a /b tests. If things go wrong, crashes, or bad outputs, check model inputs, normalization, and mismatch between training and inference preprocessing as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.